guys, how are you today? So I feel excited anyway, but I just want to say a quick word. What skills have you learned today? See my new hairstyle? I did this hair myself, okay? Now I'm not bragging, but I'm trying to let you know that, guys, you need to learn a skill. What type of skills are you interested in? Is it cooking? Is it baking? Is it which one, my friends? I beg, make I remember. Is it making hair, sewing, whatever? But I just want to let you know that it's not too late. Okay? You see me, I'm my own hairstylist. So yeah, I make any styles I want, and I can even help other people too that wants to look good. You see, the power of skills. I can make different hairstyle for my children, my kids, friends, for myself. Don't need to go to the salon. You see, I can be rocking it the first time. Yeah, I want it. Oh gosh, I'm just enjoying this. Anyway, guys, it's not too late, okay? Start now. Get something, if it is computer skill, any kind of skill that will be profitable to you, to the society, either for profit or for fun or for yourself, personal use. All types of skills that will be useful to your life is important. So go learn a skill today, okay? Thank you guys for watching. Loving my new hairstyle. Hope